Hello everyone, my name is Leila and today I'm going to be showing you my foundation routine. For this, I'm going to be needing gravel, cement, buckets of water and just create like the most amazing foundation. No, I kid. Anyway, to get into this look, I've already applied the Too Faced Hangover Primer and the foundation of choice today is the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation. A little goes a long way with this foundation, which is why I'm applying this in dots and creating like a tribal look. Then I'm going to blend out this foundation with a dense foundation brush, but what I'm doing is pushing the foundation into my skin and I'm not dragging or pulling or whatever, I'm just pushing it in. Because of how buildable this foundation is, you can layer it and so you get your desired look or your desired effect. So yeah, just keep pushing the foundation in and don't drag. Done with the foundation brush, I'm going back with the beauty blender. What the beauty blender does is it smoothens out all the harsh lines the brush might have left. Now I've moved over to concealer. I'm using the Born This Way concealer and I'm applying it just the same way I applied my foundation, pushing it in and going back with a beauty blender to smoothing it out and blend it out properly. For a slimmer effect, I'm putting the concealer right on my nose bridge where light hits it, so it just gives me a guide on where to put the concealer. I go on to apply it on my forehead, my cupid bow and my chin. Majorly my cupid bow because you know we want that Rihanna lip stuffs. Then again go back with a beauty blender to just blend out any of those lines. We want it all smooth. We don't want harsh lines here. No harsh lines. I'm not done applying concealer to my under eye area. I'm going with a lighter shade just to create an extra brightness around that area. Just to create an extra brightness there, and following up with a beauty blender. You know the process, you know the deal. This is what we do. It's crazy. Pausing to just take everything in to be sure everything is well blended. Now I'm going in with this Fenty Beauty contour stick in the shade Espresso. What I'm doing for contouring is drawing a line from the top of my ear down to the side of my mouth, but not all the way as you can see. Or you can create a dog face as I'm going to do here, just to give a guide for where the your cheekbone is. We're doing this to snatch this face, like we want that face to, you know, yeah, exactly. Applying this to the temple of my forehead, just creating shadow where shadow is supposed to be, you know, because I already put light where light is supposed to be, which is under my eye area, my nose, forehead, chin. But now we're creating shadows, which is what contouring is, just creating shadows. Jawline, underneath your cheekbone, sides of your forehead, around your forehead perimeter, you can do that. To contour my nose, I'm placing that dark shade right next to my nose bridge. I'm not spreading it out to create unnecessary shadow because I just want the appearance of a slimmer nose. After I've done that, I apply the dark shades underneath my brow. I just take it up to my brow, then a little bit underneath my eyebrows. And yes, we have the old dramatic look going on now. Blending out that cream contour, I'm pushing it in the exact same way I did the foundation. You know, we just want to place things there and not just have it move around. So we're pushing and we're trying to blend this and make it as seamless as possible. Now you can see the effect that it's created. I'm going to blend out my jawline as well so that I can have the shadow by my jawline. And we're just really going over it. Anywhere we see harsh lines, we blend. And you know what happens next after we've done this? We go back with a beauty blender. I feel like I have said beauty blender so much, it sounds like booty blender. Anyway, still blending out. And obviously, you know that with highlights and contouring, what we're doing is creating shadows. I already mentioned that. Because when you put just foundation on your face, it really just gives a bland look to your face, and this just adds the extra dimension that comes with when somebody is looking at you in person. Foundation erases that, and you want to bring back the warmth in your face and everything else. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yeah. So we're blending this out, and you know what the deal is. No harsh lines here, no harsh lines zone. To my nose contour, I'm switching the brush up to a smaller brush because I'm in need of precision. Just because I don't want any of that dark shadow to spill anywhere else, but just right where I placed it. So you can use a regular eyeshadow brush, like a big shader brush, to achieve this, but I'm using a brush. I'm not really sure what this brand is, but again, we're blending it out in the same way, you know, push the products in and then blend out with a beauty blender to erase what? To erase the harsh lines. Now you can see how snatched my nose looks, and I'm just going back with the booty blender with the booty blender to erase those harsh lines. We don't want them here, you know, we don't want them here. Setting my highlights with the Laura Mercier translucent powder in medium deep. I really f with this powder because like it gives a matte velvety finish. This shade looks perfect for my skin tone. I'm looking forward to trying other shades, maybe darker shades, because you can also use this as an all-over powder to give you an airbrush finish. But yeah, I'm applying the powder and I'm slightly pressing it into my skin just to set that concealer and not have it move around. You know, we want everything that we have placed on our face to remain just where we put it. Yeah, put it where you want to put it, put it where you want to put it. We don't want it to break away, we don't want it to crack, we don't want none of that shit. I'm using the beauty blender to apply my powder because I don't want to be heavy-handed with the use of powder. I don't want a lot of powder. I just want it to be able to set and bake and do all the magic. Okay. Setting my contour with this Bobbi brown bronzing powder in deep, and I'm just pressing it in. The trick is to try to not move anything you've placed before, so just press in and shade, you know. Then I'm going to set my entire face with this MAC mineralized skin finish in dark deepest. Again, pressing it in, we're not sweeping. We don't do house chores here, you know, we're feminists. I kid. I'm just going to spray my face with this Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 setting spray, hydrating spray. It just, what it does is just reduce the powder and everything that I've added on my face and just, you know, makes it look like I don't have all these products. Because yes, it seems like a lot of products, but this just makes it look like I don't have all these products on my face, and it just gives it a nice finish. Real, seriously, real. Show you a quick eye makeup look to pair this with. I'm just going back into that contour powder and sweeping it across my crease. Then I'm applying a regular as eyeshadow. You can use pigments, you can use anything, you can use your highlighter, whatever it is you want to use, and I'm just placing it on my lid. Then I'm sweeping this same contour powder to get rid of those lines and just make it like smooth. I'm creating my wing liner with this Inglot 77 gel liner. It's like a really black, you know. If you're looking for a black gel liner, you should go for it. Applying mascara this way because, you know, it makes your lashes look longer, and anyway, now I am smudging that contour powder across my lower lash line just to give that sexy, you know, not sexy, I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, you should know what I'm saying. Just to give that extra to the look. And I've gone to put on my wig, apply my falsies off camera because, you know, a girl gotta do what a girl gotta do, you know. For that glow, I'm using a very dark or deep golden shade. It's from Laura Mercier. I can't really remember the name right now, but I'll put it in the description box. Yeah, so I'm putting it at the highest point. Put it where you want to put it. I can't stop saying that, but anyway, I'm putting it at the highest point of my face. That's like my cheekbone, my brow bone, you know, my nose bridge, the top of my lip, because, you know, we got to emphasize that Rihanna lip stuff again. But yeah, that's where I'm putting my highlights. I'm using this spray to pull everything together. I don't know, I just love it. It's so, I don't know what to say. Anyway, we're now going to the lips. We're creating a very nude lip here, a chocolatey nude lip. I'm using this darkest brown from LA Girl. The lipstick I'm applying right now is Chocolate by Colored Rain, and I'm also going to apply a shade called 413 Blacker from NARS, and another shade of lipstick from Zaron, which is called Teaser, and that just gives like a lighter finish to the center of my lips. Then I'm going in with this MAC lip gloss. I can't really remember the name of this MAC lip gloss. Oh, I'm going in with a MAC lip gloss called Calypso, and I really love how it made my lips look at the end of the day. Then I had to go back to create some dimension to my lip because I feel like I washed it out with all these extra lip colors that I've added. So I did that with lip pencil. And here you have it, guys. This is the final look. What do you say? You want to try this with me? I hope you enjoy watching this video. I learned a thing or two. Anywho, please like, subscribe, share, and just keep coming back because we're going to have more videos for you. See you guys in my next video. Peace out.